Kotisaari is an island on the river Kemijoki near Rovaniemi in Finland. Starting in the late 1800s, the island was used as a traditional stronghold for lumberjacks. The Lumberjacks' history still lives on in the buildings of the island. The old boathouse has been renovated and it is now used as a tavern. We can only reach the island by boat along the scenic Kemi River. Spend a peaceful summer day with us on this small island, or an atmospheric autumn evening when the lights of the city flicker on the river.